Hi friends. I was given this heat gun for repair. The reason for the malfunction is the toggle switch. It stopped working. It does not switch positions and apparently burned out inside. In order to remove the toggle switch, we need to disassemble the case and unscrew the vents along the perimeter of the back cover. I took off the cover and what do we see here? Here we also need to unscrew the plastic wire holder so that it does not interfere with us pulling out the toggle switch. Let's unscrew it. Now you need to pull out the toggle switch. To do this, you need to press the special locks on the side of the toggle switch. Next, in order not to mix up the wires, we will change one wire at a time. The central contact on the old toggle switch has burned out. I need pliers to pull out the contact. Everything seems to be ready. Let's test the device in action. To do this, connect it to the network and check. The heat gun works as follows. The first switch turns on the fan and the second turns on the heating coil. The operation scheme is made so that you do not turn on the coil until you turn on the fan. This is done to prevent the coil from burning out. Excellent protection, isn't it? In general, everything works and it's good. I hope the video was useful. Subscribe to the channel and put your fingers up. For those who want to support the channel, there is a donation link under the video. See you soon.